Welcome to Super Deals Alert. Get ready to upgrade your outdoor fun with the coolest ice chests on the market, perfect for BBQs, beach days, camping trips, and tailgates. Number 1. VINGLI 80 Quart Rolling Ice Chest. Turn your patio into a party zone. This stylish cooler cart comes with a handy bottom shelf, built-in bottle opener, and easy rolling wheels. It's a must-have for effortless entertaining. Super Deals Alert. Super Deals Alert. Number 2. Igloo Insulated Hard Shell Cooler. Rugged, reliable, and ready for adventure. This high-performance cooler keeps your drinks ice cold wherever you go, camping, road tripping, or backyard chilling. Super Deals Alert. Number 3. Coleman Pro Heavy Duty 45 QT Cooler. Tough and lightweight with extra thick insulation that keeps ice frozen for up to 4 days. Holds up to 74 cans, perfect for long weekends and serious chilling. Number 4. Coleman Classic 100 QT Rolling Cooler. With wheels, a massive 100 quart capacity, and up to 5-day ice retention, this cooler is built for big gatherings, long trips, and unbeatable convenience. Number 5. Igloo BMX Hard Coolers 2572 QT. Extreme durability meets ice-cold performance. Choose your size and enjoy a cooler that's engineered to handle any adventure, from trails to tailgates. Super Deals Alert. Super Deals Alert. Super Deals Alert. You can find the links to these deals and more in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!